Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a pretty quick one, but I'm super excited about it because I want to announce to you guys that I have decided to start a little series here on my channel, and I'm going to call it Crocheter Tales. So I think it's it's a little self-explanatory, but basically what I want to do is I want to have all of you write me stories. Now, they can be yarn related, crochet related, knit related, it doesn't matter. But I want you to write in and tell me a story about something to do with crochet, yarn, just any kind of crafting story. So, for example, right off the top of my head, I would tell the story of how I found out that my stepsister's stepdaughter was going to be at our family Christmas, and I found out like the night before the Christmas, and I thought, well, what do I do? What do I do? So I sat down and I found a free crochet mermaid pattern, and I spent hours going as fast as I could to make this. If I can find a picture, I'll insert the picture. But there's just an adorable mermaid, and I worked and worked and worked and worked, and I did the hair, each little piece of hair, through the stitches, and I got her done just in time for Christmas. And I wrapped it up and I gave it to her. And then when she opened it, she pulled it out of the box and then just looked at it and threw it on the floor. And I was just like, I have never felt like that in my life. That was awful. But anyway, so that would just be an example of the stories that I'm talking about. But they don't have to be sad. They can be heartwarming. They can be, in anything that you guys have. So what you do is just write in your story. So you can email or you can pen and paper write it to me. My email address and my post office box will be in the description box for you guys. And then what I'll do is I'll get a big pile of them and then I'll read them on the channel. So then you can tell me in your email or in your letter that you write, whichever. Specify that it is a crocheter tale, and then say whether you want me to use your name or not, or you've changed names so I don't have to worry about it, or redact the name, whichever. But I'm super excited because I think this is going to be something that's fun. And in my mind I'm thinking, and okay, so let me say this. The reason that I had hesitated for not quite a while, but I hesitated doing it was because in my mind I'm thinking, okay, there can't be that many stories, different stories. And then one of my subscribers was telling me how she was making a blanket with her and her husband's favorite color, or her sister-in-law's favorite colors, and she passed. And I'm like, you know what? That story, I love that story, and I want to share stories like that I get told like that with everybody else. So that's why I want to tell you, the subscriber that wrote me that story. I'm not going to say your name, but thank you for telling me that. And I may not have replied to the comments yet, but I read them, and I was so happy that you told me that story because I thought that was awesome. But anyway, so stories like that, how cool would that be to read your guys' stories on the channel and share them with everybody else? So, like I said, I just lost my train of thought. I will put my email address and I will put my post office box in the description box so you guys can get me your letters however you want to. It doesn't matter. I think it would be fun if you mailed them to me because then I could open the envelopes and everything on camera. But anyway, so once I get a good pile of stories going, I will do the first Crocheter Tales episode. So keep an eye out for that. And I do want to say that there has been a little bit of a reason that I haven't put out some very long, I shouldn't say very long, but some longer videos because I don't want to say. Anyway, so I will see you guys in my next video, which would be Monday morning. It'll be a tutorial. So, and then after that, I'm going to get back on track with everything. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of here and I'll see you the next one. Bye.